Good morning, students. We hope you are staying home and staying safe. For the meantime, till the schools are not allowed to open, we will study through the videos. Today, we will study Chapter 1, Exercise 1B. Exercise 1B, question number 1, multiply. First part, minus 125 into 4. Now, see. 4 5 is 20, 0, carry 2, 4 2 is 8, 2, 10, 0, carry 1, 4 1 is 4 and carry 1 makes it 5. Now, when you multiply negative integer into positive integer, we always get answer in negative. So, it will become minus 500. Now, second part, minus 15 into 36. Now, 15 6 is 90, 0, carry 9. 15 3 is 45 and 9 makes it 54 and answer will become in negative. This is answer. Now, third part, minus 225 into 8. Now, 8 5 is 40, 0, carry 4, 4 8 2 is 16, 16 and 4, 16 and 4 20, 0, carry 2, 8 to 16, 16 and 2 18 of minus 1800 answer. Fourth part, minus 1 into minus 2 into 9. Now, minus 1 into minus 2. Minus from minus is cancel out. 1 into 2 will become 2 into 9. 2 into 9 become 18. It is answer. Now, see one more example. 8 part, minus 8 into 43 into 0. Now, when you multiply any number from 0, we always get answer as a 0. Now, minus 8. When you multiply 43 into 0, we will get 0. And we multiply minus 8 into 0, it will also become 0. Answer. Now, rest of the part you can do as a homework. Now, move to another question. Question number 2, first part. You have to solve minus 8 into 0 into 37 into minus 37. Now, when you multiply minus 8 into 0, we will get 0 into 37 into minus 37. Again, when you multiply 0 into 37, we will get 0 and minus 37. Now, again, we will get 0 on multiplying 0 is the answer. Now, move to the next part, second part. It is 1569 into 887 minus 569 into 887. Now, we can see 887 is common in both the terms. So, we will take out 887 as common. Here, it will become 1569 minus 569. 887 now into, when you multiply 569 from 1569, we will get 1000. Now, on multiplying, we will get 887 000. That is our answer. Now, next part, that is third part. Minus 183 into minus 44 plus minus 183 into minus 56. Now, we can see minus 183 is common in both the terms. So, we will take out minus 183 as common. Minus 183, we will take it as a common. in bracket we will get minus 44 plus minus 56. Now minus 183 minus 44 plus minus become minus 56. Now minus 183 minus minus become plus and the sign of negative will come. When we add 44 into 56 we will get 100. Now we have to multiply minus 183 into minus 100. So now minus from minus is cancelled out, we will get 18300. This is our answer. Rest of the part you can do it as a homework. Now question number 3. Now we have to tell what will be the sign of the product if we multiply together 8 negative integers, 8 negative integers and 1 positive integers. Now 8 negative integer means we can assume as negative integer minus 1. When you multiply 8 negative integer means minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 into minus 1 8 times 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8 and 1 positive integer plus 1. Now from this minus this is cancelled out, this from this, this from this, this from this means all the minus signs are cancelled out, so we will get answer is positive. So answer is positive. Same 6 negative integer means it is even number, so all the negative signs will cancel out, and 16 positive integer, so positive will remain positive, so it is also positive integer. Same third part 21 negative integers means it is an odd number, so we will get one negative integer left, so we will get the answer in negative integer, so his answer is negative. Same question number 4, you can do it as homework. Now question number 4 first part. Question number 4 we have only one part, we can write it. Question number 4, a into minus 1 is equal to minus 30. We have to tell a will become negative integer, positive integer. Now see, minus 1 in is multiply, when minus 1 will go here it will come in divide, minus 30 divided by minus 1, minus from minus cancel out, we will get a is equal to 30 which is positive, so our answer is positive. Now fifth part, a into minus 1 is equal to 30. Now a is equal to 30, this will become in divide upon minus 1. Now minus plus become minus, we will get minus 30 as answer, so our answer is negative. Now question number 6, determine the integer whose product with minus 1 is minus 40. So we have to tell what should be multiply in minus 1 to make it minus 40. Directly we have to multiply 40 to make it minus 40, so 40 is our answer. Same second part, what should you multiply with minus 1, so we get 46, we will multiply minus 1 into minus 46, from minus to minus is cancelled out, we will get 46 answer, so answer is minus 46. Question number 7. Compare which is greater, 8 plus 9 into 10 and 8 plus 9 into 10. Now, in both the numbers we have to tell which is number is greater. Now, first we have to solve the bracket. First we will solve the bracket. 8 plus 9, it will become 17 into 10. It will become 170. When we first multiply in this, we will follow BODMAS rule. According to BODMAS, first we solve bracket, but here is no bracket, so we first multiply the number. 9 into 10, it will become 90. It will be 90 plus 8, 98. Now 170 is greater than 98. So which number is greater? 8 plus 9 into 10 is greater. Next, rest of the part you can do as a homework. Question number 8. (19) into 7 minus 3 is equal to, we have to verify that RHS is equal to LHS, is equal to 19 into 7 plus 19 into minus 3. Now we will solve it. Now, first we will solve the left hand side. So 19 into 7 plus minus 3. Now 19 into 7 plus minus will become minus, 7 minus 3 will become 4. Now 19 4 will become, 19 4 is 76. On solving left hand side we will get 76. Now we will solve right hand side, means 19 into 7 plus 19 into minus 3. Now 19 7 is a 133 plus 19 3 is a minus 57, plus minus will become minus 57. Now you can see we have to minus, on minusing we will get 13 minus 7 will become 6, and here will become 12 minus 5 will become 76. So we can say left hand side is equal to right hand side, verified. Second part you can do it as homework. Now we move to next exercise. Exercise 1C. Exercise 1C. First question, first part. If we have 27 divided by minus 3. Now you can see 27 by minus 3. So 3 9s are 27 of minus. So minus 9 answer. Second part, minus 36 divided by 3, means 36 divided by 3. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Answer is minus 12. Third part, minus 81 divided by minus 9. Now minus 81 divided by minus 9. From minus to minus cancel out, 9 9 is 81. So answer is 9. Fourth part, 45 divided by minus 5. 45 divided by minus 5. 5 9s are 45 minus 9 answer. Now question number second. We have to verify a divided by b plus c is not equal to a divided by b plus a divided by c for each of the following values of a, b and c. We will do first part and second you will do as a homework. Now question number second. You have to verify a divided by b plus c is not equal to a divided by b plus a divided by c, where a is equal to 10, b is equal to minus 6, c is equal to 4. Now put the values of a, b, c in the above equation. So where here a is equal to 10 divide b plus c minus 6 plus 4 is not equal to a divided by b. A is 10, b is minus 6 plus a divided by c. A is 10, c is 4. Now 10 divided by minus 6 plus 4, it will become minus 2. 10 divided by minus 2, it means 10 divided by minus 2, it means 2 5s is 10, it will become minus 5. Now we will solve this. It means 10 divided by minus 6, 10 divided by minus 6 plus a means 10 divided by a, 10 divided by c, c is 4. Now you solve. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s is 10, 2 3 are 6, 2 5s is 10. Here we are getting minus 5 upon 3 plus 5 upon 2. Now LCM both the numbers. LCM of 3 and 2 will become 6. So into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, it will become minus 10 plus 15 upon 6. It means it will become 5 upon 6. Here we are getting minus 5 and here we are getting 5 upon 6, which is not equal. So LHS is not equal to RHS. Verified. Now third, fill in the blanks. What should we divide by minus 9? So our answer will become 5. So 9 5s are 45. So we will divide by minus 45 is answer. Second part, 7. What should be the number which is divided by 7? So the answer will come minus 12. So the answer is minus 84. Now we can do it as a second part. Divide by 7 is equal to minus 12. Now let the blank be x. X divided by 7 is equal to minus 12. Now this will go in multiply. So this will become minus 12 into 7. So 7 to the 14, 4, carry 1. 7 into 7, 1, 8. Minus 84 is the answer. So in place of blank, minus 84 will come. Now question number 4. Write 4 pairs of integer a comma b such that a divided by minus 4. One such pair is minus 8 divided by 2 is minus 4. Now we have to write the equivalent fractions. When we dividing the numbers, we will get -4. Question number 4, we have to divide a by b